Family heard strange noises during Christmas dinner, and terrible things happened. On Christmas Eve, the Smith family was enjoying dinner in their duplex home. Their unit shared a strange door with the neighbors, which was locked on both sides. Suddenly, they heard strange noises coming from the connecting door, as if someone was trying to get in. The father got up, walked over, and placed his hand on the lock, asking, "Need something?" There was no response. He unlocked their side and opened the door. The other unit was completely dark, and their car was gone. Fearing an intruder, the father and uncle decided to investigate. After checking the first floor, they heard loud steps coming from upstairs. The father grabbed a kitchen knife, and they slowly made their way up. Moments later, a chilling scream echoed, followed by panicked shouts. "He's been stabbed! Like and comment Christmas for part 2."